Hello, today I'll be demonstrating you how to do the submaximal cardiorespiratory fitness test using the 1 mile jog and walking assessment. Equipment I used was proper running attire, a 400-meter track, a scale, a stopwatch, pen and paper, and a heart rate monitor was optional. I started off the jogging assessment by doing 2 to 3 minutes dynamic warm-up, consisted of mostly leg stretches. The jogging assessment is typically used for men and women ages 18 to 29 years of age, which men have a minimum completion of 8 minutes and women a minimum completion of time of 9 minutes. While jogging, I made sure that my heart rate did not exceed 180 beats per minute. After completing my 1 mile jog assessment, I took my pulse exercise heart rate at the cardiac artery and place my index and middle finger at my cardiac artery, feeling the pulsation for 15 seconds, multiplying that by 4. I also took it at my radial side. One thing you want to keep in mind when doing the jogging assessment is that it's not a maximal test, so you do not want to run the mile. You want to keep a steady pace without stopping. Moving on, the walking assessment. I also performed a dynamic warm-up stretch for 5 to 15 minutes. The walking assessment is used for men and women 20 to 69 years of age, but is also good for sedentary population and older adulting population. The goal of the assessment is to walk the mile as quickly as possible without stopping. I took my heart rate at both the carotid and radial side as well as the jogging assessment. Now we have both equations to view our VO2 max. For the 1 mile jog, we have our equations which we will be plug our body weight in kilos, our time in minutes, and the minutes will be divided by 60 to receive a decimal point. Our heart rate per minute that we quantified earlier, and our gender which for males will be 1 and for females will be 0. We plug the values to the equations to receive a VO2 max of 64.80. So for the 1 mile walk, we have body weight in pounds, age in years, gender, again males is 1, females 0, and time in minutes, which we will divide by 60 seconds to receive a decimal value, and the heart rate per minute, and we plug in the value to achieve a VO2 max of 94.65.